Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Yuchanan, John, chapter 15. I am the true vine, and my Father is the husbandman. Every branch in me that does not produce fruit, he takes away. However, all that produce fruit, he cleanses, so that it may produce even more fruit. Now you have been cleansed by the word that I have spoken to you. Abide in me, and I in you, just like a branch cannot produce fruit by itself, unless it abides in the vine. Likewise, you will not produce fruit, unless you abide in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me, and I in him, the same produces an abundance of fruit. For without me, you can do nothing. If a man does not abide in me, he is like a branch that is cut off and withers. Then men gather them and cast them into the fire. Thus they are burned. If you abide in me, and my word abides in you, you can ask what you will, and it will be done for you. By this my Father is glorified, so that you produce an abundance of fruit, and you will be my Talmidim. Just like the Father has loved me, so too I have loved you. Continue in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will abide in my love, even as I have kept the commandments of my Father, and abide in his love. I have spoken these things to you, so that my joy might remain in you, and so that your joy might be fulfilled. This is my commandment, that you love one another, like I have loved you. Man has no greater love than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. If you do what I command, you are my friends. From now on, I will not call you servants, because a servant does not know what his Lord does. But I will call you friends, because everything that I have heard from my Father I have made known to you. You have not chosen me, but I have chosen you and ordained you, so that you will go and produce fruit, and so that your fruit will remain, so that whatever you ask of the Father in my name, he will give it to you. These things I command you, that you love one another. If the world hates you, know that it hated me before you. If you were of the world loves what is his. But because you are not of the world, but I have chosen you out of the world, therefore the world hates you. Remember the words that I told you. The servant is not greater than his adun. If they have persecuted me, they will persecute you also. If they have kept my saying, they will keep yours also. But they will do all these things to you for the sake of my name, because they do not know him whom sent me. If I had not come and spoken to them, they would not have this sin. But now they have no covering for their sin. He who hates me hates my Father also. If I had not done miracles that no other man among them has ever done, they would not have this sin. But now they have both seen and hated me and my Father, so that the word that was written in the Torah might be fulfilled. They hated me without a cause. However, when the Comforter comes, whom I will send to you from my Father, the Spirit of truth who comes from the Father, she will testify of me. Also, you will carry reports, because you have been with me from the beginning.